Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the tutorial millennial YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a signature on Picsart. You can make your own signature on Picsart, so I'm going to show you how. The first thing is open the Picsart app and then click on the plus icon. Here scroll down until you find the drawings and then click on the create new. Okay, so here is the new canvas. You can just draw your signature here. So I'm going to pick the brush first. So the brush that I want to pick is probably just this one, the default one. You can adjust the size and also the opacity of the brush in here. So I'm going to, so it's just too big. Okay, just like that. And then you can just draw your signature here. You can also change the color. I'm going to just the black one, and then you can just draw your signature here. So for example, just like that. Sorry, it's not my signature, but I'm going to use this as. And then if you want to save it, just click on the arrow here, sorry, and then click on save and share, just like that. Click save and your signature has been saved into your gallery. Click done. Okay, that is how to make a signature on Picsart. It's so easy. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.